What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy Cool Kicks. Yeah, I'm at the mall. My boy wants to get games for his new Xbox Series X. So yeah, I'm at the mall. Of course, they got sneaker shops. So of course, we're gonna look around, you guys, see what's up. We are at the Northridge Mall. Haven't really gone through this entrance, but yeah, this is where the Gamestop is. Let's see what's up. All right, we are done at Gamestop. Let's see what's going on, champs, you guys. Alright, they don't really have that much in the Jordan Retros, but they do got a couple of the lows on sale. Obviously, these aren't the super hyped pairs. Does have some suede in the back though. And yeah, you get to save 20 bucks, so not too shabby. These on sale as well. Another $20. Oh, $30 off. These went for $100? I didn't know that. I thought these were the $90 pair, but apparently not. I guess that suede on the back ends up costing a little bit more, but yeah. $30 off, not too shabby, not too shabby. Not really too many sales. I'm wondering if that just shows that the malls are getting back to regular, but yeah, what do you guys think about these? I'm kind of, I don't know, I'm kind of not feeling that little stripe thingy up front with all the tabs and stuff. I don't know. What do you guys think? These are normally $110 down to 100. Kind of bright too, but I think the tongue thing kind of kills it even more for me. Do have a bunch of other Air Forces. They are all going for retail though. Can't go wrong with the all white right there. Even these highs. Damn, they got the highs and they got the mids for the all whites. Oh, okay. They got the highs with the all black as well. I'll go for retail though. Retail is $95 for these. Those of you guys that do play hoops, they do got these here, the 0.3s. Obviously, we know the 0.4s are right around the corner. Have they already come out? I don't know. But yeah, 50 bucks, that is hella cheap. Those of you guys that play hoops outside, probably perfect for that. You know, especially at 50 bucks. Do got the Jumpmans. Are these the Team 1s or something? I don't know, Nightwing. He was a big fan of these. They look alright. I just can't pay $100 for non-signature Jordans. Especially since I've been able to find so many retros for that price. Not lately though, because yeah, lately all the Jordans have been selling out. Nike basketball, all the stuff that should be on sale is on sale, which is pretty dope because all the PGs, the KDs and the LeBrons, the Kyries too, all pretty much on sale. The women's section, not really seeing too much. Yeah, let's head out. Let's keep it moving. I did go with the winterized 4s. It's kind of cold outside, so I did go with these bad boys. And I'm just wearing sweats. Actually wearing kind of cheesy. I'm actually matching a little too much. I usually don't match like that. I'm wearing all my free PUBG gear, so. And then I have a Jordan sweatshirt because it is kind of cold outside. Finally kind of cold in Southern California. Not seeing too much out the ordinary, you guys. Yeah, let's go see what's up at some of the other shops. Wait. This kind of did catch my eye, you guys. What the heck? These MSRP... Yeah, we're good. MSRP on these are $300. They're down to $100. What? The 4D thing just has not taken off, dude. Like, wow. They have a couple for 400. Then they have a couple for 169. That one up there is 169 as well. And then the rest 160. Wow. All right, now we're officially leaving. Let's go check out another shop. All right, we do have a JD Sports. Their prices haven't been crazy. Like most of the stuff have been regular price, but we still gotta check it out, see what's going on. All right, been talking to. I actually saw Bosco here, which was funny. Didn't expect to see him here. But yeah, do got these bad boys. Shoot, I don't know what colorway this is of the Iversons. Pretty dope. I know this is one of the special ones. Pretty dope, you guys. Going for retail though. Oh, are these the regular Kawhis? Okay. These are the ones that just released. That's kind of cool. Not a huge fan, but I know some people are. Got the Jolly Rancher versions right here. I'll go for retail though. We saw those a couple days ago. That is the Donovan Mitchell's. That's the Crayola pack. All right, they do have sales that are comparable to some of the other spots at least. Not seeing too much on sale though, just not. Do got these bad boys. I think we see these at most spots though, but I don't know. I'm still a fan. I know all the hype beasts aren't into it, but I'm still a fan of those. You can't go wrong with Air Force One, especially the all whites. Yeah, not seeing the greatest deals, you guys. Just not. This spot is dope because they do get most of the releases. They're not getting what the fives though, unfortunately. $60 for these. These are the Climate Cools, I think. $60, not too shabby. Not as cheap as the 20 I found, but hell of a discount versus the 140. I guess they're all on sale. Every colorway it looks like. But yeah, not seeing that many sales, you guys. Not seeing that many sales. All right, they do have these in the women's section, you guys. Pretty cool. I don't know what the official colorway is, but it's just like a what the colorway. I don't know. Bunch of different colors, a bunch of different materials. Does have patent leather right here, buck leather. Does have satin on the top. Kind of an interesting colorway. Not too bad. They didn't really have that much, you guys, but that JD Sports, I usually hit them up for all the new releases. They do have a lot of new releases. The sales, not the greatest. So you just have to know what you're getting into. But yeah, let's see what's up. There's a Shoe Palace as well as a Foot Locker. Let's see what's going on there. Dope thing is they are opening up a Dick's Sporting Goods, which is pretty dope because we know they have sneakers there. Be another option. Who knows when they open though? Dude got a Shoe Palace. It's been pretty dope in the past. Let's see what's... I was just about to say they don't have anything, but man, people are starting to get restocks of these Jordans. This is dope. Got some retros, man. That's what's up. I don't even get excited about mids like that. But these are dope, dude. Look, like the front part right here and the back part, all freaking, all suede. What the heck? Usually, on the newer ones, a lot of them have had suede in the back and then satin on the front. These are dope, man. They are hitting people with the higher prices though, $125 for these. But at least the material's better, so yeah, maybe it's worth it, you guys. Dope. So you got these bad boys. They've been sitting everywhere. Is this the one that we just saw on sale? We just saw a couple of these on sale. I don't remember which ones. I think it was, yeah, I'm pretty sure it was this one. Yeah, that was $90 at Champs a second ago, right? And then they do got these University Golds, you guys. And this is a smaller size too. This is a size 8, so they probably do have a few sizes here. That's dope. Got an 8.5 of these. These are the Lucky Green 13s. Kind of a fan of these, man. I don't know. I'm always a fan of this suede on the bottom. It feels like a synthetic suede, but I don't know. But yeah, super dope, super dope. I do prefer the ones with the 3M on the upper, but these are still dope. I just can't pay retail for them, but yeah, still. Dang, last fall or winter, I saw all the Hydros on sale, man. They all sold out this year, man. Everybody jumped on the Jordans this year, man. Dang it. These are all the regular Team Jordans, I guess. I know the avid New Balance fans love the Made in USA ones. They don't have any of those here, but they do have a bunch that are heavily discounted. Let's take a look at a few. Do got the 997s here. Does have a lot of suede on it. Pretty freaking dope, you guys. Got the old school look on it. Going for $45. That's not bad at all. These are the 574s. I'm a big fan of these. If they had my size, I probably would pick them up. These are going for $30. $30 freaking dollars, you guys. These are insane. Got a lot of suede on it. I like the colorway too. Dope. See, the one going for regular price, going for $80. So yeah, man, $30. That's hella cheap for those other ones. 997. It's like a trail version, going for $60. Some more 574s. Does have a lot of suede on it. This one does. Dang, $40, dude. $40. Colorway not bad at all. Some more 997s. These are going for $20. I'm so good on this colorway. The material on the bottom doesn't seem as great. The midsole doesn't seem as great. But yeah, $20. You can't go wrong with that. $20 for these as well. What are these? I don't even know. These don't even have numbers on the X-Racers. X-Racers going for $20. Holy guacamole. Yeah, man, that's hella cheap. I have no clue what these are. These are robes? I don't know. It says fresh from robes. But yeah, these are going for $40 as well. Yeah, got some decent price, you guys. They do got some PF Flyers, you guys. I know everybody loves the Converse, but I don't know. I think these PF Flyers are just as dope. I don't know about the material and stuff, though, to be really honest, because I know the Chuck 97s, they do upgrade the material and stuff like that. But yeah, the PF Flyers are dope, man. Benny the Jet made them extra dope. These are going for retail though, $55. I guess it is a little bit cheaper than the Converse. Got an all black colorway as well. Then a black and one, black and white one as well. Okay, this is a small size. What the heck? What size is this? But yeah, this is $20. $20 for these bad boys. These are pretty dope. I think I have a white one like this. Probably yellowed by now. I haven't worn them in forever. Dude, got some of the old school Reeboks going for $40. Those going for $35. Don't even have a sales tag on it. These are down to $30. Does have a little bit of suede as well as some of that nylon. I'm good on the all red colorway. Not a huge fan of the red, but hell of a price though. The black one, I think this is an MSRP going for $55. These are down to $50. I don't know the name of these though, but does have a lot of suede on it. Yeah, I guess it came out in '93 because that's the date on the back. Alright, I think that's about it for all the dope deals. Yeah, let's go see what's up at Foot Locker, the last stop, you guys. Last stop. Foot Locker. Hope they got deals. Hope they got info on the mochas, man. Let's see what's up. But yeah, each store has like so many different types of Air Force Ones. This is like crazy. The selection is amazing. Different materials, different colors. Like, dude, this is dope. I feel like if they made some Air Force Ones with this material, just different colorway, I would so jump on them because I do love that suede. I don't know if it's synthetic or who cares. It's like nice and suede, but yeah, I'm just not digging that colorway, dude. That's a pretty cool colorway right here. These are going for $120. Yeah, not too shabby. Not too shabby. A lot going on though. Adidas outlet once again, you guys. Man, the sales on the Ultra Boost is just nuts. I hope you guys saw my video in Hollywood because I did cover all the Adidas. Like, just insane, you guys. So many for $70. Man, just dope. Still falling, you guys. I think they're gonna fall even more. The Air Max 2090s. I think these are the cheapest I've ever seen these, right? $80? I thought they were $99 at other places. Were they $79? I don't know. I lose track, you guys. Air Max 200, $50, man. Same as outlet, you guys. Pretty much the same price. And by same price, I mean lower, because look at this, $35, you guys. $35 freaking dollars. That's just crazy. That's insane. A few sneakers, pretty much the same as outlets, man. That's just crazy. Damn, even the Supernova React 270s down to $80. That's dope. That is dope. This is one of the better React 270s. Actually, this is the best one I've ever seen. I don't know about the orange. Orange is a little too bright, but yeah, that Supernova design on the front, just super dope. Dang, these are at the way top, man. Got a couple more. All right, let's try that again. Yeah, we got a couple more Nike outlet prices, you guys. Holy crap, $40 for the Air Max 200s. That's insane. Then we got an all white. I know some people love the all white, so I guess there's a little bit of black and gold on it, but majority white pair, $35. That's crazy. Presto React Galaxies going for $100. That's a hell of a good price. Got a couple more going for $100 as well. Then we got these down to $59.99. Wow, that's like outlet prices, man. Elements, similar prices to the outlet. I forgot these normally go for what, $130, $140 or something. These go for $160. Holy crap! And then yeah, this normally goes for $130, down to $50. Dang. I'm not down with that green colorway, but I know some people are. Wow, these originally started at $160. That's just crazy. That's insane cheap. Insane cheap. The Phantom React Flyknits. Dude got the Pegasus 36 going for $50. But the 37s haven't gone down in price. We have seen them at certain spots. I think one of the Nike, I think Nike Westlake had them for a little bit cheaper. But yeah, I'd wait for these because the technology jump is huge. This does have the React as well as the Zoom Air. Superior technology compared to that older stuff. $30. We just recently saw those for $30 with 30% off, I think, at the outlets. The Nike basketball on sale as usual. Nike basketball always on sale now. Alright, we are going to wrap it up, you guys. We're going to wrap it up. Yeah, I'm going to be doing some extensive stuff tomorrow. So, yeah, I'll let you guys know. Dang, Bath & Body Works got the longest line by far. Holy cow, that's just insane. That's insane. Alright, thanks so much for watching, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Yeah, the malls, like, super up and down. Like, some of the trips we found nothing. Some of the trips we found a bunch of deals. I think today we did find a good number of deals, you guys. I was able to get some information on the mochas. I heard that they might have them tomorrow, but by the time you guys see this, it's probably gonna be too late. It seems like Shoe Palace is sticking with the original raffles because they got all the tickets and stuff. So I'm SOL on that one. If it does come out tomorrow at Foot Locker, I'm SOL anyways because I got to work and pretty much I got to be there all day. And then I also got to go pick up the What the Fives tomorrow evening. So yeah, I don't think tomorrow's going to work. So yeah, it is what it is. I hope you guys were able to secure your pair of the mochas. Hopefully you guys were able to secure your pair of the What the Fives as well because I know a lot of people want those. And yeah, yeah, you know, we'll see what happens. I'm going to continue to hit up the malls as well as the Nike outlets, see what's going on. I'm hoping the Nike outlets start getting a little something, but, you know, we'll kind of see what happens. Thanks so much for making it to the end, you guys. Make sure you help our boy out, press that like button. If you're new to the channel, make sure you click that subscribe button, click on that notification bell as well. And yeah, you guys know I'm going to have plenty of other videos. See you guys next one. Peace.